Hi, I'm Brian. Welcome back to Make Stuff for Fun. I'm here in front of my new space, and I can't wait to show you guys all the potential. Let's go inside and take a look.
All right, here we have the main space. To the left here, we've got 4 offices. This main wall going to be taken out. We've got the living space to the right here. We've got the kitchen. This might be a little TV room. If you look past the dirt, the kitchen looks pretty big. This was originally set up as a dormitory, so every office has a little bathroom attached. Probably turn those into storage rooms. This is the big bathroom. Again, look past the dirt. This will be my bedroom. Gonna block off this back section. It's gonna be for a friend of mine to live in. In this room, we're just gonna tear down to make the main workspace larger. This big wall is going to be taken out. Here we've got the terrace. Nice and big. Probably put up an awning, get some shade, and then up to the roof. Nice big roof. And here's a view of the what it looks like around.
All right, that's it for the new space tour. I hope you guys can see some of the potential I see in this space. I'm really excited to get started with renovations and move in. I'll show you guys how it turns out and how it progresses. Thanks for stopping by. Please subscribe and hit that bell. See you next time.